Let me go with the problem number 10 here. Let us check out. Among 240 students, it was found that 3/4 of the students prefer to play hockey. Right. So out of 240, total number of students is 240. This is total number of students, right? Right. Out of that, 3/4, right? 3/4 of students, total students, right, are going to prefer to play hockey. Right, and 1/8, right, 1/8 of total students are prefer to play cricket. So we need to find out the number of students who prefers to play hockey and cricket respectively. Right, let us check out here. So 3/4 of total number of students. Total number of students is 240. Right, so which is going to be simplified here. 4 ones are 4, 6 are, which is going to be 3 into 60. 63 is 180. So 180 students out of 240 students are prefer to play hockey. Right, so cricket, so that is 1/8 into, so 240. So 8 ones are 8 threes are, that is 30 ones are, that is 1 into 30, which is going to be 30. 30 students who are going to prefer to play the cricket. So option is 180 and 30. Option is the right one.